Welcome, beautiful souls, to BodyMaitre Podcast, where we explore the wisdom of the four bodies, the spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical. In every episode, we uncover how hidden energies, patterns, and programs influence our daily lives, emotions, health, and spiritual evolution. Today, we're diving into a profound and eye-opening topic: negative implants and energy sovereignty. What they are, how they affect us, and how we can clear them to restore our divine alignment and energetic freedom. What are negative implants? In the realm of energy and consciousness, negative implants are not physical devices. They are energetic structures or artificial programs inserted into our subtle bodies to distort, suppress, or redirect our natural energy flow and awareness. You can imagine them like energetic software codes that send frequencies of fear, control, or confusion, keeping a person disconnected from their authentic divine essence. In BodyMaitre terms, these implants can anchor across all four bodies: spiritual body, blocking divine communication or higher guidance; mental body, reinforcing false beliefs or self-sabotaging thoughts; emotional body, generating heavy emotional patterns like guilt, fear, or shame; physical body, manifesting as fatigue, tension, or energetic stagnation. These imprints can originate from past life vows, soul contracts, religious conditioning, or collective programs rooted in control and fear. How negative implants form. Negative implants don't appear randomly. They resonate with certain frequencies we carry. When a person vibrates in fear, guilt, or self-denial, they unconsciously open space for lower vibrational energies to attach or influence their field. They may form through past life vows of silence, servitude, or punishment, collective beliefs like "I must suffer to be worthy", emotional resonance with anger, resentment, or revenge, attachments or agreements with non-beneficial entities or thought forms. In essence, implants mirror the unresolved energy within that's ready to be reclaimed and healed. Here's how negative implants may influence the four bodies in daily life. Spiritual body, feeling disconnected from divine truth, experiencing confusion between intuition and illusion, or sensing spiritual interference during meditation. Mental body, repetitive thoughts of fear, guilt, or inadequacy, constant inner criticism, or looping beliefs that prevent forward growth. Emotional body, emotional heaviness, sudden mood swings, or unexplainable sadness that feels not yours. A sense of unseen control over your emotions. Physical body, unexplained fatigue, chronic pain, or heaviness around the head, neck, or solar plexus, the regions linked to communication, power, and freedom. Ask yourself, do I feel resistance when I try to meditate or expand my consciousness? Do I experience repeating negative thoughts or emotions that don't feel like mine? Do I sense that something is limiting my spiritual or personal freedom? Awareness is the key. Once you recognize the possibility of interference, you begin reclaiming your energetic sovereignty, your right to be free, clear, and connected to Source. In a BodyMaitre healing session, we don't attack or fight implants. We bring them into awareness and transmute them with divine light, because nothing that is artificial can exist in the vibration of truth. However, before clearing, it is important to consult with your angels, higher self, and spirit team to ask, is there any further research or investigation needed in order to clear these negative implants? If your pendulum or intuitive signal indicates yes, then continue your research by using the BodyMaitre 4 Bodies Dowsing charts to identify the root causes and related energies. You may uncover connections such as unhealed emotional wounds, mental belief systems, spiritual vows, or physical imbalances that originally allowed the implant to take hold. Because if we clear the implant without identifying and releasing its root energy or cause, the clearing may not hold. The energetic pattern may recreate itself through the same resonance. Once all related elements are identified, proceed with conscious clearing through prayer or intention, such as, I now revoke, release, and dissolve all non-beneficial implants, seals, and agreements from all timelines, dimensions, and realities. I reclaim my divine sovereignty, truth, and freedom. I align all aspects of my being, spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical, with the frequency of divine source light. after clearing, rebuild, and reprogram your consciousness. Reaffirm your divine sovereignty and power. Reconnect with joy, truth, and love frequencies. Strengthen your grounding and energetic boundaries. Anchor your new state with affirmations such as, I am free to express my true self. My body, mind, and soul vibrate in harmony with divine truth. I am the master of my own energy. Clearing implants is not about fear. It's about remembering your light and divine authority. You are a sovereign being, and your consciousness is the most powerful field of protection and creation. When your four bodies align with your soul's truth, your energy radiates a frequency that no interference can maintain. You become clear, luminous, and grounded, a conscious creator of your own divine reality. Thank you for joining me today on BodyMaitre Podcast. Take a deep breath, center yourself, and affirm, I am light, I am free, I am sovereign. If this episode resonates with you, like and subscribe to the BodyMaitre YouTube channel. Until next time, stay grounded, stay connected, and remember, your divine light is your greatest protection.